20 meters, Seco 20, India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call, Query Z. Seco 20, India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call, Query Z. Seco 20 meters, India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call, Query Z.
Number 7, Tango,
Number 7, again?
Yeah, Golf number 7, Tango, November, Quebec, Flash Mobile for you.
Okay, Golf number 7, Tango, November, Quebec, / mobile, is correct?
Yeah, Roger.
Okay, Michelle, very good afternoon. You 59, you are in the log. Okay, I give you Mike Wessel in your box for special call. Roger? Okay, your report is 58 for original report. Very, very compliment. Michelle, Roger?
Roger. Okay, my name is Mike India Charlie Kilo, and I'll look for your information on QRZ.com, over.
Okay, my friend, okay, the propagation up and down, okay, you are in the log, okay, my friend, 73, thank you, good luck.
73, good luck.
Thank you, bye-bye. Okay, again, Query Z. India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee, special call, Query Z. Delta Mike 6, Radio Alpha Charlie is correct?
That is correct. Delta Mike 6, Radio Alpha Charlie, reporting requirement 5.
Okay, John, very good afternoon. Okay, you 58, you are in the log for special call. I give you Mike Wessel in your box. Roger?
Roger. 73, I wish you the best week.
Thank you, 73, all the best. Thank you, bye-bye. India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call. Query Z. Delta Lima 1, Juliet Lima, Jurgen, very good afternoon, my friend. You 59, you are in the log for special call. I give you Mike Wessel in your box. Roger? Thank you. Okay, you are in the log of 59, but for real report is 5758. 5758. Okay, thank you. 73. Bye-bye. India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call. Query Z. Seco 20 meters, India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call. Query Z. India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call. Query Z. Golf Delta, again. Florida 4, Golf Delta Oscar, John, very good afternoon. You 59, you are in the log for special call. I give you Mike Wessel in your box. Roger? Thank you, John. Yes, you have two contact for me. Yes, my friend. I copy you 5920 dB over 9. John, very, very strong for Sud Italy. Very, very compliment. Thank you, John. 73, all the best. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, 73. India, uniform 8, Yankee for special call. Where is that? India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call. Where is that? Sierra Papa 4, November, Bravo, question mark again? My friend, no copy, the propagation up and down. Sierra Papa 4 or Sierra Papa 2? Sierra Papa 2 or Sierra Papa 4? Please repeat. Sierra Papa 2, November, Bravo, Alpha is correct? My friend, the propagation up and down. I copy Sierra Papa 2, November, Bravo, Alpha is correct? Mamma mia. Sierra Papa 2, November, Bravo. Okay, repeat, please. No copy. Foxtrot, Sierra Papa 2, November, Bravo, Foxtrot is correct? No copy, my friend. Sorry, no copy. India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call. Where is that? India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call. Where is that? Again? No copy, my friend. The propagation up and down. No copy. Again? No copy. India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call. Where is that? Secu 20 meters. Secu 20 meters. India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call. Where is that? India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call. Where is that? Secu 20 meters. Hello, Secu 20 meters. India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call. Where is that? Secu 20 meters, Secu 20, India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call. Where is that?
United America 6, Foxtrot Zulu, Uniform Alpha 6, Foxtrot Zulu.
Uniform Alpha 3, Foxtrot Zulu is correct? Uniform Alpha, again.
Uniform America 6, Florida Zulu. United America 6, Foxtrot Zanzibar.
Alexander, Roger.
Roger.
My friend, good afternoon. You 5-9. You are in the log for special call. I give you my question in your box. Roger?
Roger, thank you very much, sir. Could you please give me your name?
My name is Antonio, Michael Side, India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee. India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee. My name is Antonio. Roger?
Sir, thank you very much. Antonio, thank you. Very glad to meet you. With special call sign, you reported 5-9, 59 loud and clear. Thank you, Antonio. Thank you for nice short contact. 73, all the best to you and your family. Good health. До свидания, Antonio. Ciao.
Thank you, my friend. 73, all the best. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Papa Delta 2, Whiskey Lima.
Papa Delta 2?
Papa Delta 2, Whiskey Lima. Copy?
Yes, copy, Wim. Very good afternoon. You fly 9 plus. Okay, you are in the log for special call. I give you my question in your box. Roger?
Yeah, copy, Antonio. My pleasure to get you again on the frequency. Thanks for the report. We're pushing all 5-9, but I have some CRM and CSB on the frequency, but we can copy you with no problems. Pretty nice copy today, over.
Okay, Wim, no problem. I copy you very, very strong. 5-9 plus, very, very strong your modulation. Okay, my friend, you are in the log. Thank you very much for contact. 73. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. All the best. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yes, portable, Delta Kilo 4. Yes, Georgian, Roger? Okay, my friend, your real report is 5859. 5859 for Sud Italy, okay? You are in the log. For special call, I give you my question in your box. Roger? Okay, Georgie, sorry, how many, your watt, your radio. Very, very compliment, my friend. I copy you very, very strong. Okay, thank you, my friend. All the best, 73. Bye-bye.
Mike 0, X-ray, Zulu.
Mike 0, X-ray, Charlie again.
Mike 0, X-ray, Charlie, Zulu.
Mike 0, X-ray, Charlie, Zulu. Okay, very good evening, very good afternoon, Mark. Okay, Mark, you are in the log, 5-9 for you for special call. I give you my question in your box. Roger, Mark?
Yeah, 100% copy. About 5 and 7 with me with the QS Bravo.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, test. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, test. Hello, 1, 1, 1.
Ciao. Arrivederci.
Thank you, Mark. Thank you very much for contact. Okay, I copy you very, very good. Thank you. All the best for you and for your family. Thank you, Mark. 73. Bye-bye.
73, Antonio.
Bye-bye.
Giulio Alpha Victoria.
India, uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call. QRZ.
Italia, Tango 9, Giuliet Alpha Vittoria. Giuliet Alpha Vittoria.
Again.
Italia, Tango 9, Giuliet Alpha Vittoria. Giuliet Alpha Vittoria.
Enzo, eccoti qua, carissimo. Italia Tango 9, Giulietta Alfa Vittoria. 5-9, un punto se allog. Ok, per l'Howard Sole Luna, questa è l'espedita, Roger?
QSL Antonio, QSL 59 anche per te in questo momento in centro Sicilia. Buona attività Antonio, grazie per questa bellissima attività. Non ne faccio, come cacciatore vado poco, però questa mi sta piacendo veramente molto. Ciao Antonio, grazie.
Ciao, grazie Enzo, no vabbè va tranquillo, ma ci riesci dai, sono 5 punti, poi ogni giorno una QSL nuova. Ciao Enzo, un abbraccio.
Chiamato a Luigi, ciao, grazie Antonio, buona attività, buon pomeriggio, ciao.
Ah ok, perfetto, perfetto, dai un abbraccio, grazie Enzo. India Uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call, QRZ. Italia, Venezia 3, India Zulu. Ancora avanti? Ciao Maurizio, eccoti qua, ti sento bassissimo però ti ho tirato fuori. 5-9 al log, un punto per l'Howard Sole Luna, QSL spedita. Un abbraccio Maurizio. Ciao Maurizio, non so se mi ascolti ancora, comunque sia al log, un abbraccio. Ok, ciao, grazie, ciao. Uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call, QRZ. Secu 20 meters, Secu 20 meters, India Uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call, QRZ. Again. Secu 20 meters, India Uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call, QRZ. India Uniform 8, Kilo Romeo Yankee for special call, QRZ.
Brian. Yeah, okay, again the comments there. You know, I think one thing that the low sunspot minimum taught me anyway was that you do have to be very, very careful, don't you, on sunrise, because stations are coming and going in copy all the time. Everybody's hearing different things, and before you know it, even if there is a WAB control, you've got two it's all running on the same frequency at the same time. Somebody in Scotland hearing a lot of the G's and working with also with their lessons in frequencies. They'll start calling out and trying to jump the list. Trying one's best, and I certainly decided that the answer is to have a lot more tolerance and to transmit a lot less and listen a lot more, and if there is a controller, absolutely endlessly chipping in with information which is I know we discussed this in lengthy emails, Brian, and not much is going to change. Yes, everyone lurks there.